To make the ginger beer, we are going to make it now and show you. So if I am going to make the ginger beer and show, do you like it? We make all sorts of drinks and all creamy drinks and all that we make, but we never make the ginger beer, no? Come, we'll make the ginger beer and see how it looks and how easy to make it also. First I need 1 cup of water. Normal sugar 250 for 1 cup, right? Remember, for 1 cup 250 grams of sugar. Then I need quarter ounce, just quarter ounce of ginger. Ginger is also added. Till the sugar dissolves, nicely boil it. Till the sugar dissolves. So easy to make, but something that we have to plan it ahead. So we will see how it is made like this. 1 teaspoon of yeast. Put a little slightly warm water, mixed and kept. That has to be kept so that we will put it later. Yeast, right? Not now. It has to cool. And I need a lime. Lime is also kept, so that I will use. A little egg white, that is also there. So all that we are going to put now. Once it's nicely cooked and taken, you have to cool this. Nicely cool it. We can't just straight away do, we have to cool this, right? After it's cooled, put the yeast. Add the lime juice, half a lime. Mix it well. It has to cool well. One teaspoon of the egg white. All this is done while when it's cooled only. Remember that. Can you see like a milkiness is coming? Right, let that be. Now I have to pour it into this and keep for 3 days. Before I keep it, I will do this. I have kept for 3 days and I have to show you that. Let this be. Now I have to strain this. After 3 days, I have to strain this now, okay? Cover. Since we have used yeast, I have to cover like this and put a band. Keep for 3 days. This is after 3 days you strain it. After 3 days we strain this. Now I have to put into a bowl or a bottle or something and keep for 3 weeks. Once I keep for 3 weeks only, this ginger beer is ready. I don't have a bowl now to show you. I have all the bottles are wine bottles, so I can't show you on those wine bottles. Keep it at least for 3 weeks. Keep at least for 3 weeks and you can serve it. But don't do this quantity. Make a bigger quantity. 3 cups of water if you put, you will need 3/4 pounds. That is 750 grams of sugar, 3 cups of water, and you make it. How my ginger beer is looking like. It's really nice. So all of you can make it and see how the ginger beer is going to be. So next episode I will come back with another one. So till then, make this ginger beer and see will you how it is, so that you can comment on it whether you like the ginger beer or not, or whether you had any problem in that. Till then, I will wait till next week to to show you another episode. It's going to be another nice episode to show you so that you will enjoy it too. Till then, bye from me now.